Hi, I'm Joel with WestAIR Heating and Cooling, here to show you how to replace your furnace filter. First thing to do is shut your power off on your furnace. Then go to the furnace, remove the cover from the furnace filter. Remove the filter from the slot. When replacing the furnace filter, the arrow should be pointed towards the furnace for better airflow. Put the filter into the slot and put the cover back on the filter. Turn the power switch back onto the furnace. If you have any further questions, just contact us at WestAIR Heating and Cooling.